Which of the following is an equation of the line tangent to the graph at the point 1, negative 3? And you can see that all of your answer choices have x minus 1 and y plus 3, which corresponds to this point. So the only difference among all of the answer choices is the slope. So we need to find the slope of this curve at this point. First, let's find a formula for the slope. So we need to use implicit differentiation because we have a combination of x and y. We don't want to take the time to solve this for y. So we're going to take the derivative of the first term, like we normally would. On the second term, I'm going to group the negative 3 with the x and call that my first. So I have my first, negative 3x, times the derivative of the second, so dy dx. And then plus the second, which is y, times the derivative of the first. The derivative of negative 3x is negative 3. And then that's equal to the derivative of 10, which is 0. So we can simplify this first, or we can go ahead and substitute our point 1, negative 3, because that's the point that we want this slope at. So let's substitute 1, 3, or 1, negative 3 in first. So I'm going to have 2 times 1, which is 2, minus 3 times 1, which is 3, times dy dx, which is what I'm looking for. And then minus 3 times negative 3 gives me plus 9 equal to 0. Now if I combine like terms, I have 2 plus 9 is 11, and I'm going to move that to the other side, so it's minus 11. Then I have negative 3 dy dx still left on this side. Divide both sides by negative 3, and then simplify, and I get 11/3. So I'm looking for the equation of the line that has a slope of positive 11/3, and it looks like E is the answer.